In part F here, we're trying to find the vertical intercept of our graph of our linear function and where it crosses this axis, so the vertical intercept. You could use the slope previously, and if we think of the slope here as, well, it's this, but thinking it as over 1, this slope is telling us that the price of gas decreases by that much, and that over every day. So it decreases that much per day. It's just what our original problem was saying here, approximately that much per day. So that's our slope, and so the idea here is to use our slope and use a point close to find out how could we use that to start here and work our way backwards. Well, this is an increase in day, so if I start here at an increase of day, that would be going that way. I want to go that way. And so the idea here is not to use this version of the slope, but use this, where these two have the same numerical value, but now we have a decrease in day and an increase in price. And so if you decrease this day here, you should increase the amount of gas here, or the amount of dollars. So here's the idea. Start from here and then use our slope, decrease that by 1 and increase that by 0.012. So this arithmetic, again, this slope is telling us that the price here will increase by 0.12 each time the day decreases by 1. So we have this arithmetic to get to another point. So that would be 1, and if I add that, that would be 137. So 3.137 is what was 1 day after, so I could graph that, 3.137, that looks to go right there. And then we can do it again to find out our vertical intercept. So again, this is saying increase the output by that much every time you decrease the input by that much. So a decrease of 1 results in an increase of that. So that gives me 0. So what do we have here? Adding those, you get 9, so you get 3.149. So this is our vertical intercept. So that's that point right there, almost at 15 cents. So I'm going to box this up. That is our vertical intercept. And so now here's a good question is, what does that mean? We're going to ask you to determine what that means here, but this would be a number of days, and that would be the price of price per gallon. So hopefully you're thinking on October 10th itself, that price per gallon was that, and that's again in our situation here. So hopefully that makes sense.